Communication Solutions. I want to welcome everyone to Technician Appreciation Week. Technicians we have at our company are the core and foundation of our business. Without them, our trucks don't run every day. We appreciate what you do every single day of the year, just not this week when we're recognizing you. Today we have 2 Blackstone griddles to raffle off to our technicians. So without further ado, I will roll this over and pull out 2 lucky winners. Dig in here. All right, our first winner out of Troy, Ohio is Austin McDonald. Congratulations, Austin. Reach back in there, pull out one more name. All right, out of our Freedom location, Jacob Dayton is our second winner today. Congratulations to both of you. Maybe you guys can let me come over and we can eat together. With that, I'd just like to thank you all for everything that you do. Again, you know, without the technicians, our company doesn't run on a daily basis. You guys are the lifeblood of the company, and we appreciate everything you do. Thank you.